What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Crypto Clay here, tapping in with you. I hope everyone's having a great day. Oh man, crypto always crazy, always keeping you on your toes. Man, Bitcoin 24,807. We are still fighting to get above that 200-week moving average. Okay, we got Ethereum at 1,706 today. Today is Monday. We got XRP at 40 cents. We got Cardano at 40 cents. Ooh, the duel is on. Uh, we got Atom at $14, XLM at 9 cents, H bar a little bit above 8 cents, Algo 28 cents, Quant $140. Yeah, so things are kind of just moving up and down and not very much and going sideways after that initial pump that we got. Yeah, so let's look at the chart. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart immediately here. So I got the 3-hour chart up, and I pulled a fib from the low here in February on Monday the 13th. Interesting. So yeah, I pulled it to the top of this green candle up here on Thursday, February 16th. And so we're going to break into a different fib structure. I'm waiting for it to happen right now. If you were to look at this, I got the 200-week moving average heat map up, which is this blue line, and we need to get above that line and then come back down and test it as support. And on the 3-hour chart, in my opinion, it's looking scary, okay? Because look, we got rejected here. We broke through, which is good, is bullish, but it ended up in a rejection. And then we broke through again, bullish, but we got rejected. Broke through again, rejected. Broke through again, rejected. And so on this 3-hour chart, it's looking a little scary, right? Like we're not going to make it above that 200-week moving average. And what I feel like is the market makers, the whales, every time it gets near here, they take profit, right? They can't sell their whole bag at once, right? Or they'll dump the whole market. So they try to get it at key points. And I believe this market is highly manipulated. And I almost feel like market makers across the board, not just in crypto, but in contemporary stocks, are stalling. They're stalling. They're waiting for new things to happen with the federal government and that side of things, right? But if you go back to here and we go to the week chart, and it's all crazy. Let's stretch this back down. We go to the week chart. These blue arrows are just part of the heat wave 200-week moving average that we got here. But look, on the week chart, I think that's bullish. So on the longer time frame, we broke through and we broke through again. And that is super bullish in my opinion. I want to see us get above that 200-week moving average, and it will happen. It's just when, you know what I mean? It will happen for sure. If we do get a pull back down to 19,000 or a little bit above that, where there's a CME futures chart gap that everyone's talking about, that gap filling, I don't know if it'll fill, you know what I mean? Because if we pull a fib here, let's pull a fib. Let's remove the indicator. Let's pull it from here. Look, if we did end up getting rejected where we're at right here, next targets for me are 21,000 and 20,408. And that doesn't mean we couldn't get that dip into the 0.618 and then continue back on. I'm not saying it's impossible for us to fill that gap down at 19,000 whatever. I actually haven't even looked at the chart. It's just every content creator is talking about it, and ones that I value. There's ones out there I do value their opinion. In a nutshell, none of this TA even really matters to me because I'm a long-term dollar cost average type person. So I'm buying small amounts over a long period of time. I really try to use my own understanding of technical analysis and going off other people's opinions, because there's people in the space who are way smarter than me and way better at technical analysis. I just try to look for good entry points in my DCA. So if we did fill that 19,000 whatever gap on the other chart, I would be looking to make a position, you know, not necessarily in Bitcoin. I do hold some Bitcoin. I'm bullish on Bitcoin long term. I just feel like I missed out on a lot of the ROI, and so I'm trying to play catch up with altcoins, right? But I'm not too worried. You know, I don't think unless we get some horrible news, I don't think we're gonna break down where we were, you know, at 15,000 before. I don't see it happening. It doesn't mean it won't though. There could always be some kind of news that yanks everything out from underneath us, and if it does, honestly, I'm gonna have a little FOMO and be looking to buy, right? Be looking to sell something physical in my life to buy something down low in the chart, right? Let's take a look at XRP, one of our favorite cryptos, right? I pulled another fib from the low December 20th, or sorry, December 2020, December 28th. So I pulled that to just the top of the green candle right here on Monday, the 23rd November, right? And so I think we're on XRP, we're still in an old Fibonacci structure. And it looks like we're trying to break into that 0.618. And obviously, I believe we're going to do it. And I think we're going to get a nice rip to the upside. If we zoom out a little bit, pull this down. I mean, look at this structure here. We got this structure here, right? Similar structure here, just on a larger scale. And we even have another structure here that looks very similar with a huge rip to the upside and then a little zigzag back down low, right? Huge rip to the upside, zigzag down low, right? Back to fib retracement points, okay? And so I see the same move happening, you know, a giant rip to the upside. At some point, everybody's looking at this triangle here that's being made, you know. Obviously, I'm doing it crude just for shits and giggles, and everybody expects that rip to happen at some point. You know, we could move a little further and then get that rip. I do think that rip upwards will occur perfectly with the end of the Ripple lawsuit. I think it's going to be timed perfectly. I mean, this is a crazy long lawsuit, 2 years. Oh my gosh, it's going insane, guys. And I'm sure anybody who holds XRP is just sitting on the edge of their seat waiting for this crap to be over with. I know I am. So on my last video, I talked about how I wanted to pick up some alliance block when things started trading again, right, on like KuCoin and other exchanges. But now they're going to be coming out with a totally different token, okay? And look at the price. Look at the price there of alliance block, just dead in the water. That's on the week chart. I mean, we're just dead in the water in there, you know. It's horrible. It's horrible. I'm not gonna finish stretching it out because who cares? It's a freaking dead project, right? Right. So they're coming out with a new token called the Alliance Blocks Nexera token, or NXRA, right? And it's like, look at, guys, you got hacked in a DeFi bridge, building seamless gateway between TradeFi and DeFi. Well, you didn't even hold up to what you were trying to do from the get-go. Right there, I lose trust in you because you were building a seamless gateway and your gateway got hacked. Okay? Horrible. So they took a snapshot of the network, right? It says it right here. They took a snapshot to get equitable token distribution strategy for Alliance Block. So if you took a freaking snapshot of the network, then why does it continuously say that holders need to claim their tokens from the official claim page, right? And this one is for holders who held their tokens in their wallets, not including such centralized exchanges, until the community update published on the 7th of February 2023 will get 100% of their legacy ALBT tokens, Alliance Block tokens, will be airdropped 1-to-1, and you'll receive your NXRA tokens, your Nexera tokens, right? But the catch is holders will need to claim their tokens from the official page. Why? Why do I need This makes me so mad. Why do I need to claim it if you already took a snapshot of the network and you know what wallets hold what? Just drop me the token, boy. Just drop the token. I don't get it. It makes me so angry. Look, look, liquidity providers, even the liquidity providers will need to claim their tokens. Buyers will need to claim their token from the official claim page. Eligible sellers will need to claim their tokens from the official claim page. What? And there is no official claim page yet, by the way, guys. Why? Why do I need to link my wallet? Okay, there's certain wallets I have that I don't link to anything. I don't use Chrome extensions. I don't use third-party wallets with certain hardware wallets, okay? And neither should you. You should have at least 1 or 2 hardware wallets that's like a fortress, okay? It's only used in a decentralized manner. I didn't even trust setting up a trust line, okay, to my XRP. I don't play that game, okay? On certain ones, you need to keep certain wallets like a freaking fortress, like a Fort Knox. Don't have any kind of weird APIs linked to it or anything like that, okay? No extensions. So why all of a sudden would I link wallets to something that I already don't trust? You know, look, they're building a seamless gateway, yet they already failed to build a seamless gateway, and now you want me to link my wallet with you? That doesn't make any sense at all, okay? So this is what I think happened. It's either an intentional rug, right? And then they're trying to get everyone's wallets, access to everyone's wallets somehow, right? Or bare minimum, they're trying to de-anonymize your Ethereum addresses, right? Because they want you to link it. I don't know how the linking process is going to be. There's probably KYC involved, you know? And so essentially right there, they're de-anonymizing your Ethereum address because this is an ERC20 token. It's built on Ethereum for right now. The new token is going to be compatible with a couple different blockchains. Look at this token distribution scheme. Look. You have to claim it all. You have to claim everything. That's ridiculous. If you took a snapshot, then why do I need to claim? Like they took a snapshot of the XRP ledger, right? On that one date, what I forget, December 12th, 2020. That sounds right. And then bam, years later, I got my Flare. I got my Solo, right? I got my Sologenic. Right? And then if you put those in the right place, you're getting core, right? I got Songbird from just a snapshot. I didn't need to claim none of this, okay? I don't understand. Why are these guys making it so we have to subject our wallets to de-anonymization or worse? It doesn't make sense to me, and I've lost complete trust in Alliance Block. If I was going to do anything moving forward with them, it wouldn't be to claim the new NXRA tokens. I would just buy the NXRA token on the open market, right? But at this point, it's looking like a rug or a classic bait and switch, right? At minimum, it's a bait and switch attempt to de-anonymize your wallets. Don't fall for this crap. Why should I have to claim the NXRA token? You already took a snapshot. Distribute it. It's already ERC20. It's not going to a different chain, so just airdrop it. Makes no sense. They want you to get on the Telegram announcement channel, be in the Telegram community. No, dude, just drop the token, drop it. If you want me to believe in you, you took a snapshot, just drop the fucking token. It doesn't make any sense at all to me, and I'm super upset about it. I didn't lose very much money, but I'm just going to take the loss. It was 1% or less of my entire portfolio because I understand the risks with some of these weird projects that come out, you know, and it sucks because there were some deep connections to the new and contemporary financial system with Alliance Block. I remember King Solomon putting forward some information about that, you know, but apparently all that could be BS. I'm even seeing people who deep dive into the ISO tokens and whatnot, and they had Alliance Block within their speculative framework. Now they've completely eliminated it, right? One thing that's like a big red flag to me in this too is look below. You will find further details on the distribution, right? I'm going to click on this thread in Twitter. Look, Look at me. I complained. Yeah, so you got hacked. Now you want me to link my wallet for the new claim? I'm losing trust. Might just take the loss. I don't link certain hard wallets to anything. This is me again. Why can't you just airdrop me the new token? You already have the snapshot. You already have this new crypto ready to go. Did you plan this? Discovered a weakness and rebuilt and self-hacked the bridge? You're sketch. That's what I said to their face, okay? You gotta call these mofos out, okay? Look at this guy's question. Propertyless bond? I don't know how to say his name, but anyway, it says, hi, I have all my ALBT on a Ledger ETH wallet. So what do I do? Will I get something, or how do I do it on MetaMask Ledger? Look at this guy. Hello, you need to manually synchronize your device before you get the airdrop. Kindly send a direct message. No, scam. You will be able to claim the new LBT on your MetaMask if eligible. Why should I have to claim it? You already snapshot the network. You know where it's distributed. So it doesn't make any sense. Why do I have to claim it? You know, they're basically, even if this is a legit project, they basically just pooped on everyone who's been holding this, right? Ridiculous. Look at this. Alliance Block official support. Look, Alliance Block airdrop to assistant. Customer support with the Alliance Block symbol nonstop. Those are all fake accounts. Those are all scammers, dude. And they want, look at, he's got 5 followers, 7 people following. No blue check mark. Scam. Look, so on their main page, they're just being flooded with scammers and bots trying to steal your information. That's not a good sign. So they can't even keep their Twitter secure from bots attacking them. They can't even build a DeFi bridge, and now you want me to link my wallets to your crap? This is atrocious, and Alliance Block team needs to be ashamed of themselves, and I'm out. Like I said, if anything, I'll buy, if it starts to look legit, which I don't think it is, I would buy their new, what is it, the Lame Era, we'll call it that, the Lame Era, Alliance Block Lame Era token, or NXRA. I would buy it on the open market long before I would do any kind of linking of wallets or anything like that, guys. Sorry for anyone who lost money, but this isn't looking good. I'm angry about it, but you know, that's crypto. You got to stay vigilant. You got to stay on top, and you got to expect rugs. You know what I mean? It is what it is, guys. Don't be linking your wallets. And be careful in the chat on Twitter, okay, of Alliance Block's threads, okay? Woo! It's super upsetting to see a project that a lot of people had faith in. You know, like I said, King Solomon even repped it, and then you see him pull something like this. I've lost faith. I know a lot of other people have as well. Looking at Twitter, people aren't buying it, you know. This isn't 5, 6, 7 years ago when you could pull this off and people would buy in and be all, oh, I'm into it. No, you can't do it now. Our swords went from dull to sharp real quick with this Sam Bankman-Friedman crap, right? Didn't they? So don't fall for any scams, guys. Stay vigilant. This is Crypto Clay, tapping out. Peace and love.